Welcome back, Sapiens. It's me, Jeremy, the Cryptosapien, and today I've got another video guide, this time showing you how to buy crypto directly from Binance and how to transfer that crypto that you just bought over to your digital wallet. If any of you are confused by what digital wallets are, don't worry, I got you. You can check out this video that I recently did. I'll either link it up in the video or put it in the descriptions below. But that video is a guide on digital wallets as well as how to set up your first digital wallet using MetaMask. Right? So check it out. Alright, Sapiens, let's get to it. So the first thing you're gonna need is your Binance account, obviously. So go ahead and log into your Binance account, easy peasy. And we are in. So once you're done logging in, you will see the Binance homepage here. All you have to do is go to the top left hand corner, hover over buy crypto, and go down to credit debit card. It should bring you to this page over here. Now you can transact in any kind of currency you want. Personally, I deal with USD, so I'm just gonna leave it as USD. We're gonna buy a small amount of BNB. Now, reason why I am choosing BNB is because when we transfer this over to our digital wallet and we're gonna explore the Binance Smart Chain, now your gas fees and your transaction fees are all paid for in BNB. So I'm gonna make sure that I have some BNB available to transact on the Binance Smart Chain. Alright, click continue and you will come to this page. So once you're on this page, all you need to do is add a new card. Once you're done adding the card, click continue and you will get to this page. Confirm the purchase and pray for moon. Alright, so you just gotta give it a while and eventually you should see the balance reflected. Now, in order to see this, you can go to your wallet and click overview. Alternatively, you can just wait on this page and keep hitting the refresh button that was below here, and eventually you should see that your purchase has been completed. So now we're going to check out how much BNB we have in our wallet. Well, we have 0.0416 BNB, but we're going to check it out on the wallet page. Now you can either click this button, go to wallet, or you could access it from up here, wallet overview. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and click this now. This is the wallet page and we are looking at BNB only, as you can see. And we have 0.0416 BNB, which is exactly how much we bought just now. So that's it. You've made a crypto purchase. You now own BNB. Congratulations. There's only one thing left to do, which is ask when moon. Okay. Jokes aside. All right. There's the last thing we need to do is to transfer our BNB over to our digital goods wallet. So remember, Binance is a centralized exchange. If this whole thing goes down, your money's locked in here. You're never gonna see it again, right? So we want to put it outside of this centralized exchange, which is where our digital wallet comes in, which is where MetaMask comes in. Now, before we jump into anything regarding MetaMask, we're gonna first have to deal with the BNB over here on your centralized exchange. So what you want to do is withdraw your BNB, right? See the option here, withdraw. Click withdraw. We're gonna withdraw our BNB into our digital wallet. You should see a page like this, and all we need to do is type in the address of our digital wallet. There are two things you want to take note of here: the address as well as the network. So if you open up your MetaMask wallet, which should be at the top right hand corner over here if you've pinned it, and you will notice that no matter which network you change to, the account number doesn't change because this account belongs to this wallet and that's it. But we do have different networks on each account. So we have to remember when withdrawing funds or sending funds over that we choose the right network. Otherwise, your money is going to disappear. Okay, so all you need to do now is copy, and you will see the option come out. All you have to do is just click on this account and it would have copied your address. That's it. Alright, so now you go back into this page and you paste the address over here. So you would have noticed that Binance automatically selected the network for you, which is really helpful because it avoids us, inputting the wrong network and end up transferring our funds over to the void and disappears forever. So once your address is set, once your network has been selected, all you need to do is let me go ahead and move myself here so that you can see this. All you have to do is put the maximum amount in, or however much you want to transfer over, hit the withdraw button, and then hit the confirm button. And that's it. So on my account, I set up security so that even with transactions like this occurring, I would have to enter both my email verification code as well as my Google Authenticator code. Once you're done with everything, you should be able to see this withdrawal request submitted, and that's pretty much it. You can even save the address of your digital wallet so that it makes transactions a little easier the next time round. Now all we have to do is wait a while and just check and see whether our funds have gone into our MetaMask, and there we go. We have the amount transferred over successfully. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy! Thank you so much for watching the video. I really hope you enjoyed it and that you learned something from it. If you did, do leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that bell notification so that you will know when I release the next video. And if you want to see other kinds of content, please go into the comment section and just let me know what you would like to see. I'd be happy to help. Thank you all so much, and remember, DeFi with DeFi. I'll see you fellow Sapiens soon.